All right, so your first practice problem. We are reflecting across the y-axis. Make sure you are annotating all of your problems so I know you actually read it and you know what the question is. So I'm reflecting across y. I need to add my arrows, and I need to label this as x and this is y. So this shape going across the y-axis means I'm moving from right to left, okay? So it's mainly over here in quadrant 1. So when I'm done, it should mainly be over here in quadrant 2, okay? This one's weird because it's going to crisscross. Some points are going to the right, some points are going to the left. Here's what I mean. Point R is 2 spaces away from the y-axis. So I go 2 spaces in the other direction. So R prime is here. S is on the right, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So now I go 5 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So R and S, they're going different ways when you reflect. Sometimes that's confusing. Q is over here on the right. It's 2 spaces away. I go 2 spaces in the other direction, so here's Q prime. So when I connect it, again, I don't have a straight edge, or it's hard to use on a iPad. But you can use the line function, so your lines will be very straight. Here is the reflected image. They did not ask for ordered pairs, so that is it.